Okay, I've had a few folks curious about the garage, and since I do like to keep things fairly organized, I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough on my setup. Alright, gonna go over this garage organization. Alright, I got these little clever made milk crates that collapse. In this one, I have my just parts mostly. Sumo helper springs, the aluminum oil cooler housing, and my little Black & Decker vacuum, which I actually really like. I rigged up my hiking poles the same way I did my oars on the other side. This one is my dual sport gear, and it's everything from tools and shirts to chest protectors and blah blah blah, and it has a boot compartment, so I keep my boots in. This bag is kind of a medium size tail bag for if I do like some multi-day trips on it. Then we go down here. This black bag is the overnight camping gear, which I have not done yet, so it resides in the least accessible place. That is my gray water tank, which since I use just water and camp soap, I rarely have had a need for that. The blue bag is the shower tent, which I would like to replace with a smaller collapsible one. And then this is my Thule mountain bike bag, which is probably one of the best duffel bags you can buy, especially for mountain biking. It has a web of compartments that are slightly adjustable, um, and holds everything: helmet, shoes, all the jazz. So love that bag. And then here's the good old Camelback, which has seen better days, but it's still kicking. And then this foam hasn't held up very well, but this is where once I hang the mountain bike, I use these little fastener straps to cinch it down. And these are 5 feet by 2 feet. All right, so this is the right side. Same thing, some straps up here with my oars for the paddleboard and the kayak. And then up top here is the two parts to the kayak. There's an inner bladder, and then the outer liner slides in. Down below is the paddleboard, and tucked in there is my tan life jacket, my little inflatable belt, just when I don't have to wear a life jacket but something's required. And then underneath that, the gray thing is a kayak seat. Let's see, black crate in the back is a basketball, some workout gear, another pump, 5-gallon collapsible water container on top there. Got the exercise bands in there. And then this one has the hammock, another little pop-up chair, and all of the inflatable stuff. So a little USB pump, some waterproof bags, patch kit, yada yada yada. And then down here, extra collapsible crate in case I want to do a big grocery run on the Debar 250. This is my little table from Nemo, which it's a nice little table. Yoga mat, and then 2 pumps, one for a bicycle and one for the inflatables. Then of course, ladder and shower gear on the door. So this is the front passenger area, organized. Toolbox, front left, club next to that. Small black boxes, electrical fuses, etc. Fire starters, tow strap, disc lock for dirt bike, combination lock for mountain bike. What do you think, Wendell? You don't give a shit, yeah. Wouldn't hurt you to have a little more personality, buddy. What'd you say? Go fuck yourself?